Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you welcome to my channel The Terrace Kitchen. Indo-Chinese recipes are my husband's favorite. He demands for them quite often. In today's video, I'm going to make one of his favorite recipes, that is Szechuan chicken lollipop, in just 15 minutes. You must be wondering how is that possible? Well, today I'm going to use Chef Boss Szechuan cooking sauce. We love butter chicken, paneer makhni, Hyderabadi biryani or Szechuan, but it requires a great amount of effort to cook these delicacies like a favorite restaurant. Chef Boss has launched a range of ready-to-cook cooking sauces and pastes. It will help you make delicious food in no time and without much effort. Most of the Chef Boss products are ready in just 15 minutes. I'm also going to make a combo recipe of egg fried noodles to accompany the lip-smacking Szechuan chicken lollipop. So let's get started. To make Szechuan chicken lollipops, here I've got 10 pieces of chicken lollipops. Add some salt and give it a good mix. Make sure every piece of chicken lollipop is coated well with the salt. Keep it aside to move to the next step, that is to make batter. In a bowl, take 4 tablespoons cornstarch or corn flour, 4 tablespoons maida, that is all-purpose flour, some salt. Give it a mix and then gradually add water and make a batter of medium consistency. Too thick batter would make a very thick coating on the chicken lollipops, and very thin batter would not give you that crunch and that feel of coating which a chicken lollipop should have. This is perfect. Let's move to the next step, that is deep frying. Dip each piece of chicken lollipop and drop it into hot oil. The flame should be high for initial 1 to 2 minutes. After that you can keep the flame between low to medium and fry the chicken lollipops for 5 minutes approximately. Follow this tip to get crunchy chicken lollipops which are cooked inside, crispy on the outside and not oily. Same way, fry rest of the chicken lollipops. If you aren't sure, you can fry 1 to 2 chicken lollipops first to understand how much time and temperature you need. Once you get an idea, you can fry rest of the chicken lollipops. Use a well-seasoned kadhai if you're using iron kadhai, or use non-stick. This way your chicken lollipops or whatever you're frying would not stick to the bottom. Look at these have turned out really nice and crispy. Let's move to the next step. Heat a wok or kadhai and add around 2 to 3 teaspoon oil. Add 1 medium-sized onion, so I've removed petals of onions. 1 medium-sized roughly chopped capsicum. Saute it for 10 to 15 seconds. Now I'm going to add Chef Boss Szechuan cooking sauce. You can add paneer, chicken or your favorite veggies and add some water to the ingredients of the pack and make a delicious dish for lunch, dinner or whenever you want. It's that easy. Chef Boss Szechuan cooking sauce is so versatile that it can also make Szechuan fried rice. Just toss veggies and boiled rice with the content of this pack. You can get creative and the possibilities are endless. After adding Chef Boss Szechuan cooking sauce, add 175 ml water, or you can adjust the amount of water as per the consistency of gravy you like. This sauce is 100% vegetarian and has a shelf life of 9 months. Each pack serves 4 people. Look at the gravy, it looks delicious, and now I'm adding the chicken lollipop, the fried chicken lollipop pieces. Turn off the flame and coat the chicken lollipops well in the sauce. These look so tempting. I can't wait to eat these chicken lollipops. And finally, before you serve, if you have got spring onion, sprinkle some chopped spring onion. Chef Boss helps you cook your favorite specialties with great ease. Their products are available on Amazon, BigBasket, Grofers and Flipkart. You can also check out their website chefboss.com and use coupon code in the description box for additional discount. So grab a pack, put on your chef's hat and make culinary magic like a boss. To make the combo recipe, let's boil some noodles. So here I've got some water and I'm adding around 1 teaspoon salt. To this I'm adding 1 packet of, that is 150 gram of Hakka noodles. Boil this as per the packet instructions till the noodles are cooked. So you need to take water enough to boil the noodles, the amount of noodles that you have. Drain the noodles, run some cold water. Cold water would prevent further cooking of the noodles. Then add a little oil and give it a toss so that the noodles do not stick to each other. Let's move to the next step. Heat a karai or a wok and add around 2 to 3 teaspoon oil. Then add 2 eggs. Add around 2 pinches of salt. Basically here we need to prepare scrambled eggs, big chunks of scrambled eggs which we will add to the noodles. So give it a gentle stir and let the eggs cook on their own. Once they are done, take them out, set them aside. Further add a little more oil, around 2 teaspoons, don't add a lot, it's not really needed. Then add 1 medium-sized chopped onion. Saute the onion till they turn slightly pink in color. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, or you can add finely chopped ginger garlic in the ratio of 1:1. When the raw smell of the ginger garlic is gone, add green chilies, 1/4 cup French beans, 1/4 cup chopped carrot. A little salt only as per these vegetables. These take more time to cook, so let these cook a little, and then add 1 medium-sized chopped capsicum and cabbage. I'm adding a little more salt as per these veggies which I just added. After sauteing for a minute or so, add 1/4 teaspoon crushed black pepper, half teaspoon vinegar and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. You may add a little more soy sauce if you like it. After mixing the veggies, add in your noodles and toss the noodles really well in this mixture. You can use 2 forks to ease out this process of mixing, because I know it becomes very difficult to do it with a regular spoon. And there you go, our combo recipe of egg fried noodles is ready. It tastes fantastic and goes very well with the Szechuan chicken lollipops we just made. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!